Hello everyone, we are back again on a new video. I just want us to understand that in this Biafran declaration that just took place a few days ago, a lot of mistake will be expected to happen. A lot of mistake will happen, of course. That is normal thing. And whenever you see such mistake, don't feel depressed or weak, okay? Because as time goes on, Biafrans will know what they need to do and how to do it. So a new nation is always, we have to encounter a lot of mistakes, and that is why I'm bringing this video for you to see. Because here is in Biafra, one of the states in Biafra, Obi State in coastal region. So they have decided to take down Nigerian flag and mount Biafran flag, which is very, very interesting. Very, very, very interesting indeed. So whenever you see anyone or maybe government making mistake, don't feel bad about it, because everybody is still learning and it's not going to be easy, but time will tell. So my people, the Obia State in coastal region pulled down Nigerian flag and mount Biafran flag, in the land. One thing I want you to notice here is the way they did it, because I noticed something on this video. You will see how they will put the flag down, and they did not remove the flag from this pole, which is, I think, this is a bamboo tree, and they put another one instead of removing it, meaning that Biafrans are not going to follow the same step, okay, or the same trend of Nigerian institution. Everything will start from the beginning, as we can see here. You can see. Don't worry, I'm gonna release the audio. Okay, now they brought it down. Then watch another one now. They will now mount Biafran on. You can see it's a different bamboo tree, and with Biafran flag on it, which is very, very remarkable. Why? Because, like I told you just now, it's not gonna be the same, the same pole that they use in Nigerian. They're gonna use for Biafra. That's what I can see. Imagine removing the flag and put it in the same bamboo tree. One may say, okay, there's no need. They're all the same, but they're not. They're not the same. Now let me allow them to say, so you can hear what.
Greetings, lovers of freedom and the Biafra, home and abroad. I am Big Mama, the sole administrator of the Ogbia State. Today is going to mark an history in the whole world that I, Big Mama, the sole administrator of the Ogbia State, joined force with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, and our Chief of Staff, Ngozi Orabweze, to bring down the zoo flag. Today we are rejecting zoo. We are no more in the zoo government. Today the zoo have crumbled and now it is gone. So we are bringing down the flag of the Jew government called Nigeria, and we're going to raise up our flag today, our Biafra flag today. So as we start now, I ask you, these are my soldiers. I ask them, bring down the flag. We are bringing down the flag. They are struggling. Yes, now the flag has gone. Nigeria is gone now. We are going to pin back our own flag. Biafra flag is going to pin. We have pinned our black Biafra flag. Now is flying. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Today we are in Biafra. Thank you.
So
of the Ogbia
my
State.
people, that is it. And like I told you, Some people may have a different opinion. Maybe they'll feel, oh, why are you celebrating this and this and that? Remember, many people are claiming that coastal region is not Biafra. That they hate Biafra so much. Don't drag us to this, don't drag us to that. But when you ask them, if you ask them, okay, can you conduct a referendum? They will tell you no. If you are sure that it is not, why are you afraid of referendum? Although, why I'm saying referendum is because in the coastal region, because in Igbo speaking Biafrans, it is done and dusted. Anyway, my people, thank you so much, and please like the video and tell me what you think about it. God bless you. Bye bye for now.